Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make an effective whitening black soap. Some call it Ghana soap, some call it African black soap. Whatever it is you call it, it's fine, but it's the basic of the thing we're going to use to formulate this soap today. Alright, on this production I'll be making use of few ingredients, and these things are all whitening agents. They are not going to have any negative effect on your skin. No, they are soaps you use regularly. We're going to combine it so that we can bring the effects together to give us what we want. Alright, so what I'm shading here is Larissa soap. Larissa soap is sold in the market. You can get it from people that sell organic, people that sell normal bathing soap. Then the pink one is pink ozone. This is a whitening agent, and it also helps to lather your soap because the African soap alone does not lather so well. And because we'll be making use of oils, you know that oil can make your soap not to lather, so we need so many soaps that can increase the foaming capacity of our soap. Alright, so the three things I'm shading here are this. Sorry, there are two, but the ozone, pink ozone is two, and one Larissa. Don't worry, I'll give you the quantity of the things I use for this production, because I'm doing 2 wraps of our African black soap. Now, the African black soap helps in reducing acne, pimples, and giving you this natural glow in your skin. So it's one of the soaps that people neglect, but it's very, very effective to the skin. It gives you this natural glow that you can't resist. Alright, so this is what we're going to show you here. What I'm now cutting here is called anti-pimples or anti-rashes. Remember, we want to have a stain-free skin, so these are the things you need. This bulb now helps to clear the pimples, acne on your body, because this soap you can even use it to wash your face. We're going to do it in a way that you can use this both for your face and for your body. The green one is called 3 days whitening or anti-stretch mark. Alright, you know very well, because you want to lighten your skin, the possibility of having stretch mark could be there, or if you have stretch mark already, then this will help to regulate it so that it doesn't grow so much. Alright, or doesn't expand, and it will help this soap not to give you stretch mark as well. Now we are done. Next thing we are adding is called whitening balls. These things you can get them in the shops of those that sell organic things. This one also is a whitening agent and is a foam booster as well. Like I said, given that we're going to add so much oil, we need to add different soaps to make our soap lather well, because when your soap lathers well, it helps to make the soap last for you. Alright, so this is what we're going to use, and it is also good for your skin. It gives your skin this natural glow. The thing we are adding now is this is the Oga here, which is the African black soap or Ghana soap or whatever it is you call it. We are going to shred it so that either ways you want to do. If you want to double boil it, it's fine. If you want to pound it, it's fine. But me, I'm using double boiling method for this production. But if you have a whatever it is you can pound it with in your house, it's all good. You do well to use this. Now, African black soap helps to fight acne. Anti-aging is an anti-aging. It helps to fight rashes. Remember when we were much younger, we used to make it. Our parents used to buy these things for us. Don't even know what they are. Okay. Now what I'm adding here is called White Now. This is 30 ml of White Now. White Now helps to lighten your skin. The next oil I'm adding is Moroccan argan oil. It also has jojoba in it. Now what I just added here is mixture of different oils, essential oils. I put it has a lemon, it has papaya, alpha-arbutin, and alpha-arbutin is one thing that you cannot leave when you are doing whitening soap. You must add it. So after the boiling, this is how our soap is looking at this point. Now I have to turn it, mix it very well so that both the one under, the one on top, the oils and everything will mix together. Now I'm adding honey. Honey is a moisturizer. Remember that the black soap has a way of making your skin look dry, so you need honey to moisturize your skin. These are different types of powders I added here. The white one is called Snow White. Then the mixed ones, I write it out anyway. I have a neem there, I have turmeric there, I have cinnamon, and I have camwood as well. This is stretch mark oil. Like I said, you need stretch mark. Then this is vitamin E. Definitely you can't be doing any skincare products and you neglect your vitamin E. This one is AHA serum. We want this to be very rich, all right, and give our skin that tone we want. You cannot do this soap this quantity and without preservative. So I use German Plus preservative for this production. Then I want it to smell nice, so I'm adding fragrance. Fragrance is optional, but preservative is not optional unless you just want the soap to be few days. But if you want it to last longer, like this one I'm doing now can take me up to 4 months. All right, so I need to preserve it. So if you're doing this quantity, you will need preservative. Okay, so as a matter of fact, I used officially 8,250 to do this production. Then the White Now, the AHA, and some other ones are the ones I have at home. So approximately 12,000 gave me this quantity. So you too can try this, and it's going to save you money. You're going to know the exact thing you are applying on your skin, and trust me, you will love it. You can even sell it if you want. All right, so if you have watched this video to this point and you're not subscribed to my channel, then you're not helping us. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Ask us any question. What do you want us to do next about your skin, your hair, and household items? Be rest assured that we will do justice to it. So this is me coming to tell you how you can do your whitening soap that is very, very effective and economical.